And welcome back to the Valley today. Let's take a look at our tower cam time lapse. The Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo, and we saw mainly clear skies yesterday if it wasn't for the smoke. Heavy smoke again, temperatures getting into the lower 80s. We had a little bit of a southerly wind yesterday, a stronger southerly wind today. Here's a live look outside. We've got partly cloudy skies right now, still a little smoke around, and as soon as we get into the afternoon, there's the breezy southerly winds of around 10 to 30 miles per hour at times. Partly cloudy skies until this evening. We do have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe. Temperatures reaching the mid 80s. Right now it's 71 in Fargo, lower 60s to near 70 as you make your way across Lakes Country, upper 60s, Jamestown, Valley City, the Northern Valley, Devil's Lake Basin, and some upper 50s out toward the Bemidji area. Everybody else into northwestern Minnesota into the lower 60s right now. With the winds from the south starting to pick up, we are having wind speeds now of 10 to 15 miles per hour, some higher gusts, and visibility looks good. Most stations reporting a maximum visibility of 10 miles. Here's what it looks like on the satellite loop right now. We have mainly clear skies from Bemidji just off to the south of Roseau and Baudette, and partly to mostly cloudy skies most everywhere else. We're starting to see some shower and thunderstorm activity develop. If you're in the Lemoore area, points off to the north, just a very weak and isolated thunderstorm just near you right now. And other than that, we're tracking some thunderstorm activity near the Minot area, low pressure system into portions of western North Dakota that is going to make its way through. Both of these lows are moving off to the north and to the east. So they will give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days before high pressure and cooler air works its way in for midweek. We have a severe storm risk, a slight risk of severe weather for our northern and western counties for this afternoon into the overnight on Tuesday morning, and a marginal risk everywhere else, and a marginal risk in store for Tuesday because of showers and storms that could develop over the next couple of days. Let's take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast, and we've got partly cloudy skies for the day. Most of the daylight hours are mainly dry across the region into the mid to upper 80s. Looking out here toward the Devil's Lake Basin, there's where the storms will initiate, and this is around 5 p.m. on this model, and they will form into a line, which means they could be dangerous wind makers and move across the viewing area. Stopping this at around 11 o'clock is probably when it hits the valley and then continues into the overnight, and we could have periods of showers and thunderstorms making our way through the day on Tuesday, with that marginal risk going through tomorrow. Temperatures for today into the mid 80s, and we're going to lose about 7 degrees from that for Tuesday and be even cooler for Wednesday. Here's the hour-by-hour extended forecast. Now, the rain will last until Wednesday morning before we start to clear out and get back to partly cloudy skies, and high pressure works its way in for the day on Thursday, when we will see more sunshine and it'll be a little cooler. Here's the afternoon planner into the mid to upper 80s into the Southern Valley today. Partly cloudy skies, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe lasting through the evening. Low to mid 80s into Lakes Country with that breezy southerly wind. And making our way into northwestern Minnesota, temperatures getting into the mid to upper 80s, partly cloudy skies until the storms make their way through into the evening. And the storms by 5 p.m. starting into the Devil's Lake Basin, and that could affect their high temperatures. They're going to be near 80 degrees for a high, but up and down the Northern Valley, the warm spot once again, as most could be into the upper 80s to some places near 90 degrees as we keep that breezy southerly wind. Now, we keep rain likely and thunder and a marginal risk of severe weather for the day on Tuesday. Temperatures on their way down into the upper 70s, mid 70s on Wednesday, partly cloudy, and back into the mid 80s on Thursday with more sunshine. And then Friday and Saturday, more slight chances for some moisture, but staying warm, mid to upper 80s. And hopefully the rest of the weekend after Saturday should be mainly dry with some sun.
Thank you, Justin. Time can fly by during the summer, but don't let your family meals suffer.
Coming up next, we have some quick and easy recipes that will fuel your family up without taking up your time.